Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the ExoChip and Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting things like the trade platform, in which you can also get some ExoChips from Astroneer. So to begin, we will first of all need to make some explosive powder and make dynamite from it. So to make the explosive powder, you want to go to a chemistry lab, and in here you want to place 2 carbons, which are these things right here, can be made inside of the smelting furnace from some organics. Place them right here. And then secondly, we'll need some sulfur. Sulfur can be gathered on planets like Calidor, using the atmospheric condenser, or Atrox. So place your atmospheric condenser on those planets, and using some kind of a power source, power it to get some sulfur. Then we can use the sulfur inside of the chemistry lab and click this green button right here to make some explosive powder. Once we have the explosive powder and then in our backpack, we can just find the recipe dynamite. But before we do, we need to unlock it inside of the first tab, and by scrolling down a little bit, here you'll find the dynamite. This is going to require 3750 bytes to unlock, so make sure you've got plenty of them at hand. And once you do, we can just go ahead and craft it inside of our backpack. And this is going to give us dynamite, which is going to be used to open up EXO Caches, in which are the ExoChips are going to be located in. Now, to locate an EXO Cache, you want to go ahead on every single planet, you can find them, and holding down the R key, you want to click on the compass icon. This is going to show you, if you get near one of those caches, where it is going to be located. And once you've traveled enough, you should find on the compass this green icon with 3 kind of arrows pointing outwards. So just make sure you go towards it, towards the green thing, icon, and the EXO caches are most found on the forest area of Silva. But this is not the best planet to find these EXO caches, because it is not containing a lot of them. The best are the moon of Silva, the Solo, and the Glacio planet. So now once you've done this, you can click once again the compass using the R key menu, and just by putting the dynamite on the cache and then detonating it. We want to move away from it because it is going to give a big blast. Now, as you can see, I found 1 EXO chip. 1 EXO cache can contain 1 or 3 EXO chips. So I've gotten unlucky this time and gotten 1 only. You can also collect this debris, and inside of the shredder you can use this to make scrap, which is also used to trade at the trade platform. So this is pretty much all how to get the EXO chip in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.